So good morning mga momshies! Nandito na naman tayo. We're gonna cook breakfast today. We have uncured bacon right here. Uncured bacon. Right there we're gonna cook bacon, pancakes, and some eggs for breakfast today. So I already started the pans. May start na tayo ng pans. So we're gonna cut this bacon open. Cut this baby open right there. How is everybody's morning today? Kamusta? Kamusta? Where are you guys watching from? Saan kayo nanonood? Comment down. There you go. So I can say hi to you guys. So we're gonna cook some bacon today. This is uncured bacon, no nitrite. I got this from, nakuha ko siya from Smith's. I got this from Smith's. Okay. There. So, ayan na. Nalagay na natin yung bacon, mga momshies. Over here, we're gonna cook some sunny side eggs. Actually, scrambled is better. We're gonna do scrambled egg. Scrambled egg is better with pancake. So, we're gonna scramble some eggs. Marami na tayong mga eggshell, mga momshies. Papakita ko sa video ko next time how I did it. All you have to do is smash it, then put it in your plant. So it's a good what you call that, natural fertilizer siya, mga momshies. Gawin na natin 5 itlog. 5 eggs in there. Beat it. 5 eggs, beat it right there. Okay? We're gonna put some garlic. Right there. We're gonna put some salt. I'm gonna skip the pepper. Kasi yung daughter ko kakain, hindi ko nalalagyan ng pepper. Beat it up. Beat it up, beat it up. Right there. And of course, we're gonna put some milk. Right here. It's organic milk. We're gonna put milk on the beaten egg. That's how it makes it creamy and fluffy. Ayan. Multitasking tayo, mga momshies. Multitasking. Okay, over here we got a pan. Init na natin yung pan. We got some butter. Umuusok na yung pan natin. This, mga momshies, olive oil muna tayo. You always put a little bit of olive oil. Actually, just enough amount. You put a little bit of olive oil in there before you put the butter. Para hindi masunog yung butter. Okay? Right there. Tapos, sunod yun na yung this one. Yung scrambled egg milk. We're gonna do 2 batches here. Okay? Right there. And the bacon is so cooking.
Wow!
Mga momshies. Mix natin to. Yan ang eggs natin. Bango ng bacon tsaka eggs. Ayan, mga momshies. Easy breakfast, mga momshies. Here in America. Ayan, lagay na natin yung egg. Nakakapasali tayo sa egg. Then, gamit pa tayo ulit. A little bit of olive oil again. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, mga momshies, sa videos natin. Para ganahan naman tayo mag-upload and edit. Oh my gosh, I just realized how hard it is to edit a video. Hindi pa ako yung talagang nag-edit, ha? I'm doing it all by myself because I'm just a beginner. And I was just doing this for fun. So, tumalsik ang ating bacon. time to flip it, I guess. So yeah, hands up dun sa mga, thumbs up sa mga vlogger dyan. That's starting to keep it up, mga mamshies. Keep it up, keep going. Kahit walang nagla-like, walang nag-ano, konti lang views, okay? Just keep going. As long you love what you're doing, I think you'll last. It depends too. It depends too. I love what I'm doing, but you know, sometimes yung life throw us like busy stuff, you know. So, pero we cook every day. I cook every day pretty much. I do stuff around the house pretty much. So, I just have to turn on the camera and I just have to put a little time lang para mag-edit. Ayan, mga mamshies, ang scrambled egg natin. Very fluffy siya because we put milk. Okay? Linis na siya. Turn on. Actually, wait muna tayo bago tayo mag-turn on. We're gonna make our pancake. Easy way to make a pancake. Just have to add water or milk. That's it. But if you wanna add something else, it's your choice. You can add maple syrup to it. You can add anything you want in there. Vanilla, but I can do that actually. Maybe I can do that. Okay, I put 5 tablespoons of this mixture. I'm adding, so this way mga mamshies, para makita nyo. I'm adding this one right here, the milk, too as well. Ayan. Mix lang tayo. Dagdag lang. We're gonna make 4 pancakes. Actually, 3 big one and 1 small one. Yung anak kong isa nasa school na. This is actually his breakfast too as well. Teka, balik pa rin natin ang ating bacon, mga mamshies. Guys, baka masunog ang ating bacon. Oh, nagbi-blink ang ating, ayan. Yan na yung bacon natin, mga mamshies. Look. Ayan na yung bacon natin, mga mamshies. Smell it. It smells so good. Uncured bacon natin. You can put a little bit salt. You can put maple syrup on it. You can put cinnamon to it. Whatever you want, mga mamshies, okay? You can play with your pancakes. Whatever you guys want. We can add a little bit of cinnamon. There you go. Cinnamon pancake tayo, mga mamshies. Ayan. So, mix lang tayo. Right there. Put a little bit salt. A little bit salt. Right there. We can put maple syrup on this one because I already put salt. We can add maple syrup. Or you can even put like, how about we try something? You can even put this one, condensed milk. But this one's gonna be sweet. But we'll see. Just a little bit lang. Kung lalabas siya. Hindi ata siya lalabas. So, isipin natin siya. A little bit of, I just opened this one, okay? Itong ano, nilagay ko lang siya sa ref. But usually, you transfer it into something different container. Okay, there you go, mga mamshies. Nilagay natin siya ng condensed milk. This is the first time na ginawa ko ito, mga mamshies. We'll see how it's gonna turn out. Okay? Kung masarap ba siya o kulang. Hindi ko naman masyado nilagyan, mga mamshies. Pang ano lang, pang konting tamis lang. Pero usually I put maple syrup, which is like natural. Okay? We're gonna add a little bit more. Because I don't think that's enough. I put a little bit. Ayan. Okay? So we're gonna start cooking this one. Balik ko na kayo dito, mga mamshies. Right there. Okay? Luto na ang ating bacon, mamshies. Look, tumahimik na siya. Crispy na siya. Plating na natin siya, mga mamshies. Stove na para sa pancake natin. A little bit of olive oil. Then we're gonna get some butter. Because masarap yung pancake, iluto siya sa butter a little bit. Okay? Right there. Okay. Right there, mga mamshies. Tingnan natin yung bacon natin. I think luto na to. Luto na to, mga mamshies. Tanggalin muna natin to bago masunog, ha? Ayan. Tingnan niyo yung oil ng bacon, mga mamshies. Kita nyo ba yung oil ng bacon, mga mamshies? Tingnan nyo. Sobrang daming oil. Hindi ko yan nilagyan ng oil, mamshies. So, talagang in-extract niya yung what do you call that? Yung fats. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit lang muna, mamshies. Try lang natin muna. Okay? Just a tiny bit. Try lang muna natin. Make sure it's good. Mga mamshies, gumawa lang tayo ng maliit-maliit. Try lang natin, mamshies. Try lang natin. Nilagyan natin siya ng ng evap. First time ako nagawa ng ganyan. Ating pancake nasunog na ata. Ay, naku. Pero try out lang naman. Ayan, mga mamshies. Turn off the stove muna tayo. Try natin to. Let's try it. Kung masarap siya. Mainit, pero masarap siya. But, hindi pa siya enough sweet. So, later on, we can drizzle some maple syrup to it. Okay? But, mainit, mga mamsis. But I think it's good. Ganun ang ginagawa ko, mga mamsis. Kung di ako sure sa lasa, maliit muna. Ayan. Ngayon, pwede. Pinakahuli sa baby ko na yan later. So far, ito yung plating natin, mga mamshies. I'll show you. Yan, mga mamshies. Oh. Ganyan na siya. Yay! Kain na tayo na bit, mga mamshies. Yan. Gusto mo ng maple syrup sa pancake? Ito nga. Ayan, mga mamshies. Malapit na. Comment down kung anong breakfast nyo, mga mamshies. Share a breakfast recipe too as well. Tag me on your channel so I can support as well. Support ko rin kayo. There you go. Baliktarin na natin. Shape yun. Ganon. Ayan, mamshies. Ang ating pancake. Nasaan ang plate ko? Mali. Tapos, yung pinaka-last, mamshies, maliit lang. Para sa baby ko. Mini pancake. Ayan, mamshies, nag-plating na tayo. Ayan. Sarap. Kain na tayo ng bit, mga mamshies. Ayan, mga mamshies, kain na tayo, guys. Here you go. We got pancakes, scrambled egg, and bacon. Ayan. Okay, mga mamshies, titikim na tayo ng ating breakfast. May coffee tayo, of course. Ang init. So we're gonna put a little bit maple syrup in here too as well. Ayan. Fluffy yung ano natin, mga mamshies. Fluffy yung egg. Yung bacon, semi-crunchy lang siya. Pero masarap siya. That's a good bacon.
Papa?
Nagdadakdak ang baby ko.
Walang nag-iba to ah.
Yan. Kain tayo, mga mamshies. It's 9 o'clock here in Vegas. Nagbe-breakfast pa lang kami. Usually, ganyan ang oras ng breakfast namin. Yung pancake natin, crunchy siya, mga mamshies. Ito sa gilid. Masarap siya. Itong akin yung crunchy sa gilid. Malutong sa gilid. Masarap. Crunchy yung sa'yo, yung pancake. Yung gilid.
Sarap ng ganyan eh.
May litong. Gusto mo magkanin ma?
Ayaw.
Yan, mamsis oh. Kain na tayo, mga mamsis. I hope you guys have a good morning and good breakfast too. Ingat kayo parate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos, mga mamsis, for more videos to come. Ingat. God bless.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.